There it is. There it is. Alright guys, welcome back. I'm over here in the wilderness and I've got my saw and my gloves and we're about to clean out this and we're gonna pull out this old Chevy OBS truck. Yes, that's right. It's been sitting here for a very long time, probably 10 years plus. Yes, that's right. Got the rake out. Trying to get all this off the truck. Man, I've really been working on this truck. It's coming together. Guys, this is how all the projects start. They start just like this. You go over to your neighbors and you tell your neighbor, hey, I see you got a truck over there. Can I get it? Can I make it a project? Can I get it going again? I'm sure your neighbor will sell it to you for next to nothing. Guys, you just gotta get up and do it one step at a time, just like that Johnny Cash song. One part at a time. That's a good one. Anyway, stick around, guys. Okay, first time. I've not opened the door. Miles 175 175,000 glasses gone. This part is cracked. The dash looks good. There's the bench. Bench looks good. It's cleaned up. Markers are good. Right there. There's some stuff. I mean, that's how long it's been sitting. Look at this thing. There's a fuel pump. Kinds of bolts. Oh, the windshield looks good. I think that's the computer. Alright guys, current situation not very good. The GoPro, actually action camera, whatever, DJI camera, died. That is the truck that I pulled out of the weeds, and here we go. We've got a chain hooked from the truck right there, okay, to the trailer right there. We've got this pipe because all 4 wheels are stuck. Let me show you guys. Nothing is moving, and me being me, I got a long pipe and I'm just racking it on the trailer. So now I wish I didn't take the winch off. Well, I should have replaced it when it broke. I didn't think I was gonna be in this mess of a situation. But this truck is so beautiful. I have we gotta find the, oh, there it goes, perfect. That's what we want. Look at the pinstriping on that. Okay. To them. Look at under this truck, man. I'm super happy about it, guys. Stick around. Right, so we've got an Arctic blast. It is so cold outside. We are removing this bench because look at those bolts, they're not even rusted. So this truck has sat with the windows open for 13 years. This is the inside and the dash. Guys, when we talk about literally, I found it in the woods, overgrown, that's where I got this truck. So let's remove some of this stuff out of here. This is just some old toolboxes and other junk. And those are the wheels. Look at the pinstripe. So beautiful. I don't know. Looks like some fishing gear maybe. Some light bulb thing. And more other distributor. Put that back there. Brake pads. Just some engine mount. Just all kinds of stuff. So I got this thing unbolted. Oh my. Oh Lord. Oh, I can't breathe. Man, I gotta go. Okay, let's do this. So I got the bench loose. Look at these cool door panels. Let's get this thing out of here. Oh man. Pretty good shape for an old bench. Look at all these leaves. Wow. Can't even breathe. Alright, so last time I pulled the bench out, it kind of dried up in here, but it is starting to sprinkle. As you guys can see, the truck is wet. And my goal is to remove these door panels, see if I can get some power. I've never, so somebody's had this apart. I have never seen door panels like this in an OBS before. I've not seen switches set up this way before in the OBS, but looks like somebody's been in here. Some screws are missing. Actually, a lot of them are missing. And the window regulator is gone. That's why it's like that. Alright. So they stole the window regulators out of it. Okay. Can't do much now. I guess I will see if I can shove a 2x4 in there to have the windows up.